Hey, I'm Brian Van, SportbikeTrackHere.com, here with another kick-ass helmet graphic of the week. Inside of the Fly Racing Helmet Garage, I feel like a little bit of a broken record now. It seems every time we do a kick-ass graphic of the week, what am I pulling from the helmet carrier? That's right, it is another HJC RPHA 11 Pro. This one is the all-new Anti-Venom. Look at the detail on it. This is an epic graphic, dude. Nice matte finish. Marvel comic Anti-Venom. I like what they did here, like with a logo, like it just kind of fades away. Some people get a little weird about logos on stuff, and they did a great job of putting the HJC logo in there without making it really predominant. What I really love about this is the front view of the helmet. You've got the fiery eyes up here, right? Teeth. I mean, this is freaking epic. It ships complete with the dark smoke screen you see installed on the helmet. There's a clear screen. There's an anti-fog pin lock insert, chin curtain. You get all that. This amazing look for $5.99. Anti-Venom, what is that? It is a cure for everything. It cures venom. It cures COVID. That could be misconstrued as misinformation. I realize that. And you guys all know I'm pulling your leg right now. It probably doesn't really cure anything. But you know what it is going to do? It's going to look awesome when you're riding in it.